We are inside hashing basics room on TryHackMe, and we are doing today task number 3, insecure password storage for authentication. Hashing has many uses in cybersecurity. In this room, we will focus on 2 uses, password storage and data integrity. We refer to password storage when used for authentication. It is important to know that this does not apply to password managers, where you must retrieve your password in clear text. On the other hand, authentication mechanisms only need to confirm that the user knows the password, so they can be granted access to the resource. Therefore, this problem differs from password managers. Stories of insecure password storage for authentication. Most web applications need to verify a user's password at some point. Storing these passwords in plain text is a very insecure security practice. You've probably seen news stories about companies that have had their databases leaked. Knowing that many people use the same password on their various accounts, including their online banking, leaking the password from one account jeopardizes the security of all other accounts. We'll visit 3 insecure practices when it comes to passwords. Storing passwords in plain text, like the highest risk. Storing passwords using deprecated encryption, and storing passwords using an insecure hashing algorithm. Storing passwords in plain text. Quite a few data breaches have leaked plain text passwords. You're probably familiar with the rockyou.txt on Kali Linux. Well, it's not only on Kali Linux, but it comes with the system, right? It comes in Kali Linux. You have in the world directory, you have the rockyou.txt by default. Among many other offensive security distributions, this password list came from RockYou, a company that developed social media applications and widgets. They stored their passwords in plain text, and the company had a data breach. The text file contains over 14 million passwords. You can find rockyou.txt under user share and word list. And now we just cat under the user share word list and rockyou.txt. There you go. If we go and say, for instance, file, write and count, WC, we have 14 million entries. Using an insecure encryption algorithm, Adobe's notable data breach was slightly different. Instead of using a secure hashing function to store the hash values of the passwords, the company used a deprecated encryption format. Furthermore, password hints were stored in plain text, sometimes containing the password itself. Consequently, the plain text password could be retrieved relatively quickly. Using an insecure hash function, LinkedIn also suffered a data breach in 2012. LinkedIn used an insecure hash algorithms, the SHA-1, to store user passwords. Furthermore, no password salting was used. Password salting refers to adding a salt, that is a random value, to the password before it is hashed. So basically, a hash looks like this. Adding a salt. This is a fixed length string, a hash, like we know from the previous room. Well, adding a salt is just adding extra random symbols and numbers. Answer the questions below. What is the 20th password in rockyou.txt? Top 20 rockyou.txt. All right. 6 ones. That is, I love you. You kidding me? QWERTY. All right. So it was number 19.